Welcome back. If you have ever built a website and thought, okay, now what? How do I get this thing online? This video is for you. In the next 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a website you have built locally, push it to GitHub, and deploy it live on the internet using Netlify, completely for free. No server, no complicated hosting setups, just your code, GitHub, and Netlify. Let's get into it. Before we dive into GitHub and Netlify, let me quickly show you the project we will be deploying. It is a simple landing page built with just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The perfect starting point. We have 3 files. Our index.html is the main structure of the page. Style.css handles all the visual styling, and script.js adds a tiny bit of interactivity. In this case, the landing page itself has a hero section with a headline and a call to action button, some feature section below it, and a footer. Nothing fancy, but it's real working web page. Here's what it looks like in the browser. Clean, simple, ready to go live. Alright, first stop. GitHub. If you are new to it, GitHub is a platform that stores your code online using a system called Git. Think of it like a Google Drive, but built specifically for code, and Netlify loves it. Head over to github.com. If you don't have an account, sign up. It is free and takes about a minute. Once you are logged in, click the green New button to create a new repository. A repository or a repo is basically a folder for your project on GitHub. Give your repo a name. I will call mine my landing page. Keep it lowercase with no spaces. Make it public so Netlify can access it. And do not check the initialize this repository box. We will be pushing our own code. Hit create repository. GitHub now shows you a page with the instructions, and this is exactly what we need. Just copy the link of this repository, then we will add it to the VS Code. Switch back to VS Code and open the terminal. We are going to run a few Git commands. Don't worry, there are only four of them, and I will explain each one. First, git init. This turns your project folder into a Git repository. It starts tracking all your files. Next, git add dot. The dot means add everything. This stages all your files and gets them ready to be saved. Then we commit. Think of a commit like saving a snapshot of your code. The message is quotes and describe what this snapshot is. Ours is initial commit landing page. This just renames our branch to main, GitHub's default. Now we link our local project to GitHub repo we just created. Paste your the link of repository that we copied. And finally, git push. This sends all your code up to GitHub. You might be asked to log in. Just follow the prompt. Refresh your GitHub repo page and boom, your files are live on GitHub. You should see index.html, style CSS, and script.js right there. There are 3 photos that was locally and which is used in our project. Now for the fun part, Netlify. Netlify is a hosting platform that can take your GitHub repo and instantly publish it as a live website. The best part, it is completely free for personal projects, and every time you push code to GitHub, Netlify automatically redeploys your site. Go to netlify.com and sign up. I would recommend using the sign up with GitHub option. It makes the next steps much smoother since they will already be connected. Once you authorize Netlify to access your GitHub account, you will land on your Netlify dashboard. Click add new project, then import an existing project. You will see GitHub as an option. Click it. Netlify will ask you to access your repositories. Authorize it. Then search for your repo, my landing page, and select it. Here are the deploy settings. For a plain HTML, CSS, JS site, you don't need a build command. Make sure the branch is set to main and the published directory is either empty or just a slash. Then scroll down, click deploy site. Netlify starts building and deploy your site. This usually takes about 15 to 30 seconds for a simple project. You will see the status change from building to published. And there it is. Your site is live on the internet. Netlify gives you a random URL like anything. If you have not already changed the name, since I have changed my domain name like my landing page 23, then it ends with a .netlify.app, as you can see on the screen. And there's your landing page live on the web. Anyone in the world can visit the URL right now. That's it. You just deployed a website. Here's where the magic of this workflow really shines. Let me make a quick change to the website and show you how it updates automatically. I will go into index.html and change the headline text. Maybe I will update the weeks. As you can see, there's already 12 weeks, so I will change it to 10 weeks. Now open the terminal again. We will do similar sequence, but this time we skip git init since the project is already set up. Just 3 commands: git dot add commit with a message describing what changed, and push. That's it. Our update code is now on GitHub. Switch back to your Netlify dashboard. Watch this without us doing anything. Netlify detects the GitHub push and automatically start a new deployment. Give it about 20 seconds. There it goes, published. Let's refresh the live site. Our change is live. Now as you can see, the weeks are changed from 12 to 10. No manual steps. Every single push to GitHub from now will automatically update your live site. This is called continuous deployment, and it's an absolutely game changer. And that's the whole workflow. Let me do a quick recap of what we covered today. 1. We built a simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript landing page. 2. We pushed it to a GitHub repository using just 4 git commands. 3. We connected that repo to Netlify and deployed it live. And 4. We made a code change, pushed it, and watched Netlify automatically redeploy. No server required, totally free. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment below with the link to your newly deployed site. I would love to see what you built. See you in the next one. Happy coding.